just let go of sorrow, like there's no tomorrow, 'cause tonight might be.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Takeyah. If you don't know that, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. So for this video, I wanted to come on here and show you guys a couple of little tips and tricks that I use to refresh my braids, the roots of my braids. Now, the last time I actually had box braids was probably 3 years ago, which is crazy, but I got my hair done for a creative project that I was working on with Express. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, I put a lot of love into that video. I creative directed it, I styled it, okay, I did location scouting. So I hope you guys have watched that video. If you haven't, please go check it out. I will link it in the description box or it'll be up there somewhere. So I want to show you guys how I refresh my braids and get them looking nice and sleek without those harsh gels and the products just filled with chemicals, and also how you can kind of promote growth and just keep your hair moisturized under the braids. So I'm just going to take some hot, really warm water from my spray bottle and spritz that all over the pieces that are frizzy and all over my scalp, really, and just give myself a nice scalp massage. So because I'm only keeping these braids in for a few weeks as opposed to a few months, I don't feel the need to actually clarify my scalp with like a shampoo or actually get all of my hair wet. These braids would be so heavy. This feels so good. So what this is doing is it's kind of breaking up any of the kind of dirt and dead skin and stuff that's on my scalp. It's kind of breaking that up and loosening it up, which feels amazing. And it's also hydrating my scalp. Water is just like the best thing to use. All of my color applicator bottles are used up right now with different oil mixes, but I have in this one mainly olive oil. I also have some hemp seed oil and some tea tree oil. Now tea tree is great to help like clarify your scalp. Olive oil is amazing at moisturizing your scalp. Neem oil, they promote hair growth. I'm going to take that same oil, a good amount in my hand, and I'm going to kind of run it down the length of the braids, focusing on where my hair, you know, actually is. I don't have to go down to the bottom of the braids because my hair is not down there. So I moisturized my hair with water, with warm water, opened up those cuticles, and now I am sealing the deal with this oil concoction. Oh, that tea tree oil is making my scalp just feel super refreshed. So that's like key, you know, find oils that are antibacterial and ones that kind of help clarify your scalp. So any of those oils that typically are in shampoos, clarifying shampoos, you can use those essential oils in your oil mixes. So the product that I'm going to be using to seal in that water and then the oil mixture is this nappy butter. It's a moisturizing hair and body butter by Mahogany Soul. I love this stuff, and braids, protective styles, locks, this is the perfect time to use a butter like this. So the ingredients are mango butter, which you guys have seen my mango butter deep conditioner. Mango butter is amazing. My hair really loves mango butter. It also has coffee butter in here, avocado butter. I will link it in the description box, so make sure you go check it out. So I'm gonna take some of the butter. You guys don't even understand how good it smells. All right, I'm gonna start with this one. So I'm taking the butter, and because it has such beneficial ingredients, I don't mind actually getting this onto my scalp. I take some around my actual natural hair, and then I just start to twist. And then I take some more of the butter and I go down the length of the braid where my natural hair is. And at the same time, I'm still kind of twisting. I pretty much did all of the twisting that I needed to do. Alright, so I am halfway done with my hair. As you can see, there's a huge difference between this frizzy loose side and then this side. So, alright, so I'm gonna go finish and then I'll be back on. Alright, so it's the next day and I wanted to let you guys know that I didn't sleep with my hair in those two pigtails. For some reason it was causing a lot of stress on my scalp on this side. I want to lay my edges for you guys because I've been talking about, you know, not using conventional gels with alcohol and those nasty ingredients in them and just products in general like that around your scalp and your edges. So what I do is I take aloe. Yes, y'all already know I have several aloe videos. So I have some aloe here. Literally just wipe the aloe onto the area. I'm just going to, you know, use a toothbrush, an old toothbrush. Aloe is also amazing for your scalp. So this is just like an all-in-one treatment, really. Go from this to this. Okay, so my edges have pretty much dried. As you can see, they can still move, like they're not just snatched to my head. So that's how I refresh my braids when I have them. That's also how I moisturize my hair within the braids and how I keep my scalp healthy, how I keep my edges healthy, how I lay my edges.
I know saints, I know sinners, I know boss. I know pain, I know winners, I know love. My loyalty is sensitive, so please don't cross me. My loyalty is sensitive, so please don't.
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this was helpful for you guys. For all of you that responded to my Instagram story and even my little YouTube community posts. Yeah, that's about it. If you guys want to see more of my hair, check out my video, my last lookbook, and then also check out my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on there if you would like to. I'll see you on my next one. Okay.